It is time for the Stewart's Auto Cross Country
Challenge.
Box cover Duttyberry here.
Wap and it's the girl keeping up with Jehneel.
Yes, for another social house review of episode
7.
Episode
7.
Yeah, man. And I don't know how
7.
I don't know how many more episodes exist, but we are making our way through the episode. So last time we spoke about, it was a part 1 of the scavenger hunt challenge.
Yes. So
And
we're talking
now
about
this
part
is for
2 today.
the part 2. And finally we have another episode coming. Can't remember the part 2, the 2 different episodes and something
Yeah,
like that.
tell you.
But anyway, let's jump into the review. You follow for she? Alright people, so the last episode, that was episode 6, we did show where all of the teams, they were basically heading out of town. So this is what episode 7 I'll continue pick up from. So you had the team Quite Rebellious, team Yard Travels, and team Charlie. Yeah. So anyway, so it show all of the teams and they're heading out of town now to head towards, where are they heading? Clarendon?
Clarendon, yeah.
Alright, so let me just tell you about this review. It's because there were just so many different things left, right, and center. We can't do the type of stuff that we did in the last episode. Because, first of all, what did you think about the episode?
Okay, to be honest with you, Barry, and to be honest with my audience, it wasn't that exciting for me. To be honest. I don't know if I the continuous way continue. Yeah. But it wasn't that exciting.
Yeah, it had moments.
This was my least favorite episode, to be honest.
I think I preferred part 1.
Yeah.
To it, you know, them the inner tone.
Yeah, man.
But like, but they did have some moments there where they actually did like. So I'll say that. One of the moments is where this one they might go out of town and then come like several never know where Maypen there.
Maypen is in Clarendon, right?
Social house editors. Did you see how they put like when the windows are powered down?
Maypen, Clarendon, yeah.
No, that.
Why not do my girl like that?
Social house editors.
Social
house editors. Why did they rebel like that?
Why?
Jesus Christ.
Hey, me laugh your fart.
Yeah, like honestly, that's why I have to thank God some used to work at what your place name again? I used to work out at post office, central sorting office.
Yeah.
Because when you work there, you end up know all of the parish them and all of the streets them. Because basically my job was is that when the people them have writing them letter, them have like a little cabinet with different places with the parishes them and the capital where you put the letter. So if you write a letter and you send it for Black River, I'm gonna have to look on it and say, okay, I'm putting in the Black River folder.
Oh, yeah, one thing though, you know, you have story for everything, you know?
And that's my fault, man. I'm like hustling and like working. Never used to say I used to load taxi.
What was that?
When me have that conversation,
Jehneel, you tell me.
I'm no conversation about loading no taxi. Me tell us me used to pump gas in a car. Me used to work at gas station. Me tell about load no taxi.
So it connected, Jehneel. It connected.
It not connected, no coming in.
You think better than load? So you're trying to say?
No, I'm not. Taxi? No, it. Please do not take it that way. There, not at all. Me and you never have that conversation there.
Okay, so you used to pump like them.
Me used to pump gas in a car.
Okay, we can see you. So give me a little taste. You look working style now. So vroom.
Yeah. How may I assist you today? Hello, how may I assist you today?
Me know you never.
How may I assist you?
Jehneel, me know you never did give so much customer service.
No, me ain't give so much. Sir, much gas you want?
Yeah. I can't see I work at chicken and things too.
Yeah, me used to work at Juicy Patty.
Yeah. Jehneel!
Yes!
Jehneel, can you
Yes! Juicy Patty! I'm swear to God.
I would have a Juicy Patty sponsorship.
Huh? What?
Wow! I can't see it in the uniform for real, you know?
Yeah, man.
But you look like you used to have an attitude when you don't feel good today.
Oh, yeah. Why?
Let me just see it.
Yes, for true. That's why I made it ending up.
Like what you want?
I forgot.
And she's party and
no, I was... Sometime when I not get touch up, I kind of miserable.
When you not get touch up?
Like when I not get touch up and go work, I'm miserable. Touch up as in touch up?
Oh, so you carry your frustrations when you...
Boy, so I know that people carry it for true because like it did reach me a couple times when me I go work. So it cost the customer them used to get it, you know?
So you see, whenever you go to a restaurant or fast food establishment and the people they're miserable, you know that all they probably need is just a hand, a touch.
It takes nothing to be kind. It takes 0 cents. So, you know, if frustration linked me, I had this nice customer.
Yes.
She was like, I can see you're going through something. Jenny, what you're going through? And I was like, geez, I am lack of sex. Can I say? I'm lack of sex. Like I'm a horny mother bee right now. I need something. Need something.
Ting tang, walla walla bing bang. Ooh ee, ooh ah ah, ting tang, walla walla bing bang.
She was like, sis, I got you. Berry, she did want to use something for me.
Yeah.
Like she did want to go there with me.
Wow.
I was like, miss, I'm not like that.
Yeah. I'm honestly, I'm very happy that you came on Sim Soul session to really share this.
Yeah.
And I hope you can find the help.
Yeah, I forgave her. I told her I wasn't like that, you know, and
Yeah.
she was like, okay, she was trying to help. I was like, not that way, you know, but yeah. I forgive her.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
Well, there you have it. I'm going to end with the final thought of today. Feel free to share, all when I do not care. Thank you.
We do not care.
You can't tell me send us some session a while ago.
I know joke me.
Yeah. Why we really go on one because I said a while ago, we're really gone.
Oh my
They must
God.
use sleep by now. But anyway, so they were heading out of town, right?
Yeah.
Is there any parish that you sometimes struggle to remember what is the capital? You have any parish, Jehneel, where sometimes, since you don't want to talk?
Look at this dude.
What is the capital for Westmoreland?
What?
What is the capital of
That
Westmoreland?
who no know the capital for
What is the
Westmoreland?
capital for Westmoreland?
Huh?
What? Who are you speaking to? What is the capital for Westmoreland?
I know the capital for Westmoreland,
So if
St.
you know it-
Andrew. Listen, people. Me know it's just
Negril.
for fun.
It's Negril.
I know it was
it's
Negril.
Nope.
You knew.
Yes.
Me I gonna tell you, honestly, sometimes me mix up Negril and Ochi. Because in my mind, when somebody say Negril, me think say Negril and Ochi together. So me think say Negril sometimes in a St. Anne. And I forget that Negril is actually in Westmoreland. Because Negril left far out there. So it's like how people can take a quick drive and just reach out Ochi. In my mind, I used to think say Negril just like a little 1, 2, half an hour. Because they told them at the tourist place them with yeah.
Negril and Orchard, yeah.
Yeah, but I have nothing to mix up. When I mix up no other type of parish. Where every time I come in this, I just feel extra dons. Like sometimes when I record a social house over here, we just feel extra dons. But I love this one at all.
I love this to me neither, and you ever show me up. You ever want to show me up. Like who no know the parish for Westmoreland.
So now we're gonna head over to when Chad was trying to make it out of the tour, right?
Yeah.
You realize when them go there, them start to talk to the lady. Why Jamaican people them always have to remember after I tell you the last time them see you? Why you know me just watch you? Me just watch you while sometimes always not go say no.
I know, I know,
Joe.
But just don't watch your episode and just don't see a video.
Or when them come to you and be like, you know, you're my favorite. And then after you pass and somebody else come, you know, you're my favorite. Yo, you're my role model, everything. And then tell all with the same speech.
Yeah.
But anyway, the lady was doing all of that now. And you hear old Chad Jumpy now and a beat up team Quite Rebellious. Tell the lady, try to slow them up.
Now let them through.
You know, Quiet Perryface and Rebel. Hold them up. We're gone.
Chad is tactical.
Yeah, that Mexico was like.
No, but think because of how Perry did kind of rough him up on the phone.
Probably
him
that's
just say,
right.
Here
Okay.
All let's start
All
Perry.
them, yeah.
Since this are gone,
And that's a go on.
Ethan and
Alright.
Kyle, look out for me in my time I need. So right now, are you more for slow down right this up?
So return the favor right this up. Okay, I got you, Chad. I got you.
You know who else come like that never know them parishes? Who else never know them parishes, Jehneel?
Lee, like.
See, I know we alone.
Next stop, Black River. We're going to the alligator crocodile.
But I expect that from the Marcelino come from out here.
Oh yeah, because you come from Cayman. Say for anybody forget the little blind. Oh yeah, that is true. That makes sense. And of course, Chad.
Yes.
Chad know him little stuff them. Cause of course, he is
Little
future
young politician.
Mr. Jamaica. Yeah, man, tell you, yeah, work with me.
Yeah, me I tell her though, yeah.
Yeah, see.
Me see it for real. Like how him talk, I know him bring himself. Me yeah, politician.
One of the things I actually like about these episodes, it
Yeah.
actually get for show the contestants them personality longer.
Yeah.
You realize say when Chad out at town, you realize say Chad look a junior style. He might use one bag of pack for them. You realize it pop out in the episode.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah.
And I say, yeah, man, Chad, because when them in a town and do the other stuff, him they kind of keep things, you know?
They said,
kind of jacket and tie.
they said when you go to Rome, you do what the Romes do.
When Chad out of town, man, is a different Chad. Is a junior. He might use him like a street talking, man, just catch a
I'm
different
supposed
swag.
to. You know everywhere you can go with your uptown.
Yeah, and you know, people them know it as code switching. So let me
Yes.
hear you code switch right now. Let me hear your code switch.
I would like to have a glass of water, please.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, now, Carrie, go downtown.
I can get a glass of water, I want more.
All
I'm
right.
thirsty.
Okay.
Sure.
Yeah, love that. Love that. Now you're there in England
Thank
now.
you. Can I get a water, please?
Can I get
Can I get water, please?
Can I get a what?
Go in for it and get my water. Please. I will let I'm thirsty.
I'm thirsty.
I be seeing you all day and I haven't got any water. I'm tired all day. I want some water. Can I get some water? Oh my God, man. Yeah.
Wow.
That wasn't good. That was good.
Yeah.
You know. All right, you know. You go.
Can I get some water, please?
Huh?
Can I, pepper, pig, pepper. Oh.
Can you whistle?
Put my finger, you want to roll with me, yeah. Say you want to roll with me, got off from all the world and the Western days, yeah.
Say you wanna roll with me, gotta keep your finger on the road with me, yeah. Say you wanna roll with
me, got from all over the world in the Western days, yeah.
Say you wanna roll with me. All right.
Gotta fight you, them won't be the closest to me.
not remember
Video
the
like,
song.
gotta pop off them clothes, make me see.
Wow, that was amazing! Oh my God, you go, Barry.
Yeah.
That was very quite rebellious.
Oh yeah, and you're alone, you know, can code switch, you know.
Yes, you did your thing, you're multitalco.
Yeah. What?
It fit the sentence. I mean,
Spell the word.
Marcus Konako.
You cannot win, but it's gonna go. Okay.
Yeah.
It's wow, brilliant.
Thank you.
Okay.
It fit the sentence.
Yeah, but yeah, man. So that back to Chad.
And me see that comment here say Lee and Chad match like.
Wait, what?
Yeah,
Where you match like
somebody comment.
Where you match like what?
and said that last night.
You know, say true because them have a different type of chemistry, you know.
Yeah, me like
you
her.
realize
Yeah.
They're not really shy for kind of hold on
For
by
those,
each other.
yeah.
And yeah,
Me like how she lean over
Yeah,
upon
man,
it.
now with another
see,
front seat.
voila!
You
You see the part.
Hey, we have got this up. We have got this right now. We're just all over the episode.
We are good this song.
All right, since we are talking
You
about
see
it.
the part that when
You know the song
Chad
that-
lift
what-
up Lee.
Hold the phone.
You know the song there?
Oh,
What
it
song
looks-
name again?
which one?
With the movie when the man go one side and the woman run and jump and catch her and hold her up in the ear. So like, I have the time of my life. And the woman run and back front.
Yeah.
You want to try that?
No.
Oh,
No, man.
I think it would have been fun.
No.
You don't think it would be fun? Like,
Oh, for me drop.
no, like you stay over there, so, and you run come and me catch you and
You
go
go
so.
push me off.
No, me go hold you with my one hand. Come with us hold you and then me just spin round so. And I hold it on to you.
My good me pass pan around there.
Jehneel, the people them would have want to see it.
No, not
the
this,
last
not this.
episode,
Girl. Which one?
That episode we go outside
You
and do
lift
one
me up.
activity.
You will lift me up.
No, like we do one activity
Well,
last week.
alright, come and could do it then.
We can end the video with it. We are going to end the video, people.
Cool.
We are going to do that scene because since
Yes.
we can't do it.
Yes.
We are going to do the scene. But anyway, back to them. Like you see what him did when I see the jump up on him, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Talk about the Jehneel casting to one. Talk about
But
it.
oh, it looks so though,
Yeah,
like
yeah,
it look.
like a chemistry, don't it? But that's
Yeah.
enough. You get me? Come remember them, they ask when the show starts, you know, if you feel like any little love might be in the house. And I think, alright, yeah, so we are see the foundation.
No, I see it with Lee and Chap. I could set that record just straight. We don't know nothing, we don't know who like who. Me just see something and me and talk about it.
You think they would have make a nice
understand?
couple?
Yeah, I think they would have make a nice couple. Yeah.
Okay.
Them look cute together.
But
That's
nice
my
content
opinion.
and them something there together for real. Yeah, it's a little vibe.
Yeah, man.
Ah.
But I don't understand no rebel did that go on up so pantan though. Kind of massage them there. Rebel be yourself, you know.
It's not on the camera.
You ever have like a head rub yet? No, that different, you know, man. Jesus, that different, you know, man.
When me see tan go so me say, yeah, it almost reach.
Yo, a head rub?
It's almost.
When you reach head rub settings, you know, you ever get a scalp massage yet?
Yeah. You two of them a curl up.
Jesus,
me
Peel.
tell you.
Oh, so you like a scalp massage? Okay.
From my baby daddy.
Okay, you better add that last part.
Add that last
you better
part,
add that last part a while ago.
I got to. Go out with yourself.
Yeah, so you see the little pairings up and little stuff them have on. Some of them know, oh, you go fast forward all the way to the final scene. But let's come bring it back in now.
Yeah.
But my thing is that when at the lift up part, you know, you realize when you realize Strad and I'm going her inner thigh. And when you reach your inner thigh, I say to me, Chad!
Behave! Behave!
Because Chad,
what you doing?
Chad's fingers were like about 4 centimeters more bigger than millimeters. Yeah, man, bigger.
Always don't.
Centimeters. Chad fingers were like a couple centimeters away from Lee's Pikachu.
Yep. Right there.
Pikachu, I chose you. No. Chad fingers them were literally this close.
Literally.
And the way she feel comfortable just jump up on him and say,
and his face was
you can't feel the chemistry there. I realized so when Lee come out in her bathing suit too. And who run got help her in the
Chad.
Who got help her?
Chad. Chad, behave yourself.
So you see what I'm going.
Charlie!
Yeah, man.
Charlie!
Yeah, man.
Charlie's angel. That was so mad. Yeah.
I just love. So let us go on to more pressing issues.
Guys, the police have stopped us.
Can we get a word count for how many times Ethan walk around and tell the people them say my shoot for social host and reality TV show? Everybody, you know, like how everybody on the challenge, I know you don't start big and just say, hey, more I do this for me. Ethan start out with the line. So we're working for social host TV.
Yeah, man,
I'm an influencer. Everybody get the full treatment.
Yep.
Jesus Christ. But honestly, how much time I think him do? I think him do about 5 times.
Every stopping is about 10.
Oh, 10 you say?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to find out who actually did right.
Jeez, I'm with a challenge.
Yeah.
Oh my God, you always do this.
We just, you know, we're competitive like that.
You competitive, bad.
We're doing a challenge for social host.
For shooting for a show. We're in the middle of shooting a show, so we're heading to St. Elizabeth social host on YouTube.
We need 5 people for play. Filming, yes. Social host. So we're here doing a reality show called The Social House Jamaica. We're doing a challenge for a reality TV show. Hey. We are shooting a show for The Social House JA.
But yeah, man, so to that police officer that was so kind enough to give Ethan and Tan Travels a blight, big up yourself, thank you so much, because my God, you could have given the blind man. You see the camera, you see something that the people in the mafia mention, then social security, all of what them do, same as an influencer, same as a TikToker, all of that. Like, would you have gone through all of that? Did you see when they did the what them call it, the follow the leader challenge?
Yeah.
You saw how parodies is, right? The follow the leader how you that interpret it. Follow the leader and like the dance.
Follow the leader.
Follow the leader yeah. Where you're going on the walk around. So I realized that Tanya and Ethan, they had it as like a Simon Says type of challenge.
Clap. Hands up. Jump. Go social house.
But in my mind, at the Perry version, I have it where you kind of do the little dance and hold on by each other.
them hold on and walk behind it.
Yeah, that's what I see it. And I say, okay then, all
every
right.
party you go and them play it, I saw them do it.
But Ethan and Tanya, them follow the leader, look like it was more of a Simon Says, like, do this. But I guess I feel them interpretation, right?
Yeah.
But they went into, I think it's Mandeville. And the struggle when they go through for to find the 5 people it will take for like participate. Like, how you would have go about a challenge like that? Because I know you're a girl, they do vox pop. And you know sometimes when you go to the streets, it's hard to get people for like agree for come on camera.
Yeah.
How you would have go about trying to find like the 5 people? Can me have my own tactic.
Most of them you have to tell them so you give them something.
Yeah,
Unless them not coming there. So you have to just use that. Or some of them know you already from off of the social media. So them just come on and be like, hi you!
Listen.
And be like, you know, me want Ray. And I be like, alright girl, come now Ray. And you know, while some are going to say, don't talk no.
Oh.
You come go like you want to cut me. Talk me done man, talk.
Like that's not lawyer dude.
I know say that seems to somebody tell me say I always have to here for real and Jesus being. But like I tag me and say tag, you know, you never have to let me in still, like you never pass on the button.
You can't talk no.
No man, you can't say what you gonna say then since you feel like
remember what
I want nothing then. So
me not remember what me gonna say.
You well I remember, you just want proof.
Me not remember. That's why people not fi cut people, cause when you cut me not gonna remember what me gonna say, cause me not remember.
Because now me and Cossie have more way me there try to get back to.
No sir.
You saying somebody for the leader like
man and
how you that kind of find them. My thing is that how me that do it now, more that use like what you do you know?
Yeah man.
You get me? Cause next week, you know, Brittany me bring right there, so you know, so you think so this show can continue on? Where you try? You want to see me call Brittany right now and I write us the next week? I saw you gonna do it? Huh?
She ever kill me.
Call Brittany right now, but Brittany show up here in her hamburger and her hot dog outfit.
So you gonna shoot me out?
More than that, the people that box me
okay. Right. A baby something that's in a brush.
Yes.
A brush. That is a brush.
Because we made a
brush.
bet.
Guys, you remember the bet last week?
We went on live and we made a bet.
Yeah, Cutty-boo. Use a Cutty-boo.
Could I never Scooby-Doo? Or Missy-Boo. Yes, so we had made a bet last week that if I did not put out the Social House review on Thursday, you would have boxed me in the next episode.
And you know, put it out Thursday, so you know that go.
So just box me and done then.
Ready?
Just get it over with and done. But just remember, Brittany is just one phone call away.
Show me her number.
You don't have to worry about that. I mean, name, no.
So you want to replace me?
I never said that. What just say? The way you box me.
Damn right.
We can't believe you box me for real.
Yeah, me box you for real, cause you're going like you want to replace.
I would never.
Me open up my market more than if I got you want me do. Me open up my market, man. Me go for my yeah, me no remember what I gonna say.
You know, so I'm honestly convinced that social media people will kind of lose those screws up yourself, like the whole of it. My God. But it's nice to know that you can open up your market more.
Yeah.
So they were going to do the follow leader challenge, and in my mind, hear me and say, would I just step out, put on like all my glasses and skin my teeth, and then anybody who make eye contact with me, I just know say you're a supporter.
Yeah.
And you come in. But what I do though, I would go for one people. I would go like all people who come out of KFC, you know people go to KFC like in a one group. You know, you want to find people who already know each other.
Yeah.
Like I'll come from church, like one of the church, something like keep, you want to find people who are ugly up. Like I'll want a bus stop, everybody kind of there and no bus to reach there yet.
Yeah.
You want to find a group of people instead of fear pull one person, yes, one person. Because that's how the stress come in.
Yeah.
With what you call it, with Perry and Rebel, because people don't know them and them so popular, it kind of easy for them catch people. So,
yes,
but for the other ones, them people might not know them. Out of town, it will go harder for them just convince people, so them probably have to use the bribing for real.
Yep, man.
But you see the part with Ethan and Tanya, I try to get the people them for the follow the leader. Them go up to like on taxi man, and when them are bringing Tanya, the man asks if him can get for go kiss Tanya upon her.
Wow.
Can you believe that?
Can you believe that?
Jehneel, you ever out on the road and somebody says something so wild to you yet?
Of course, multiple times.
So just on the streets there?
Yes, the streets is wild.
So there's a walk out there as a woman and just like people just say something.
Especially when you smell good, Jesus. Can be like, Jesus, can you smell like $1 million? I wonder if I see him when you don't just smell.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you normally deal with it like you just like, oh my God, thank you, or you just like, wow,
no,
creep.
me ever walk out with my face smell up, you know, so.
But come here say, yo, the man
on,
see the camera and the man actually said that with him chest.
Yeah.
So when would I do from this silly?
I thought me I would have cry.
Eventually, them get through the challenge and all the 5 people them come in. Like, that was the most mismatched parents of the people. Them is like, one of the person look like them might have been, no offense, like, you know, like homeless, and somebody look like them is a drunkard, but like everybody come together and do the whole entire movement.
Yeah.
I mean, like, alright.
That's cool, yeah.
It was cool. And the man come back and ask if he can still get fit. Kiss the something there. No, but I feel whenever people just stay in Jamaica hungry, so. Like, you never say, oh, we can't get to take a picture and get for that, like, the first thing for just, like...
Kiss the girl on her front.
And like, there's a taxi, man, it look like a two, you know, so you just can't imagine. That is wild.
Just imagine that film, you have...
The people that know me, that's the people that take, you can't imagine how you go take film taxi.
Come...
And you just in the sun, and then all of a sudden, you and him left in him start to say certain things to you. You wonder if you have to go jump out of the vehicle and roll and sit there. No, that is wild.
You talk about if you talk about family member them where I watch this and see it.
Yeah.
Your daughter, your sister, oh my gosh, shame I kill him.
When them go stop at the place, Rebel and Perry stop at the place for go buy the pepper. Alright, I'm gonna stop beating. I don't know when we get this habit out.
Yeah, beat my heart, man.
No, that's because your arm it feel
soft.
Yeah, and
from last week you tell me that mine, you know?
No, but I say it feel it
Dear father, watch this.
Ooh, but if no one come to you, you have the What me I say with them this stuff I get shrimp, pepper shrimp and stuff like that.
Remember she ordered the pepper shrimp.
You see, you can't please black people, you know. Caribou ball fee pepper.
Yes.
Your balls.
Ball fee.
And when you get to your ball fee, me not understand. Let me get that part there. I went Rebel taste shrimp.
Oh, they put in the meme. It's just this. No man, social house editors.
Yeah,
no. Terrible to Rebel, you know. On a terrible to Rebel. Me don't know what.
Yo, let say match it to do. Come and say this. Oh my God.
Jesus Christ. But yeah, man, I do them something. I like pepper at all. You like pepper?
I love pepper.
Oh, I couldn't do it.
For real?
No, I don't like pepper.
I don't box off that swims in no time.
Oh, no wonder why they did in the last episode, boy. Yeah. I. You used to the eat. You used to add things.
Ow.
You see that? Boy, they are trying to be sexy a while ago.
Sexy gone wrong to put crackers. But yes, I like hot things.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay then. Alright, you remember how we ended the episode last week?
Yeah.
With our version of Crocodile
Dundee.
So Perry and Rebel did theirs. I'm not gonna lie. Them shell.
Yeah, it was hilarious.
Yeah, when Rebel go out there, she put in the piece of branch in her like so she in the like Nanya Maroon and she had try to jump out of slavery. Yo, and Perry's voice, like Perry put on the Crocodile Dundee voice.
Right there, and she goes over and she tumbles and she rolls and she moves over. There she goes. And she moves stealthily and slowly.
It's time to get out.
Like he was just like, and we can't even do the voice so well, but like him nail it.
Yeah man, them kill that challenge. Out of the world, no, I'm gonna say 6 of them. The group of 3.
Yeah man, them bring life to it. I look out this one with them putting the meme right there, so me did love all them they do the challenge right there, so that was nice. I think Al Perry use one word that people use every day, and I think him use that called stealthily. Much people you know I use word stealthily.
Not a lot.
Word of the day. Hey Siri, what does stealthily mean?
Stealthily means in a cautious and surreptitious manner, so as not to be seen or heard.
So that means you move by like a tiptoe, like you Jibs Creech, like, you know, one little, you know, some people are really, you know, so obvious. Me hate when you ask for a meaning for a word and then put in one other word, you don't know the meaning of. Come here, ask you, don't say in a cautious or surreptitious. No, hold on, man. Hold on. We are learning here today. I mean, no words, you know. Surreptitious manner.
Very
hold on. Hey Siri, what does surreptitious mean?
Surreptitious means kept secret, especially because it would not be approved of.
Oh, say surreptitious. Yeah, 7-4. Yeah, man. And one of the last challenges, which me really kind of like, is the FX trade one, where they have to get like a different currency money, $1 different currency from somebody else. What do you think about when Perry and Rebel jump in now to the white people them now? Oh, they were the Germans, and the people them think say they might try to trap them.
Rebel going our baby vibes.
Yeah.
I got this sweet, because you see all of this, that's something there.
Rebel
and the go around a corner there.
Jamaican tourist board vibes.
Yes.
No, it's a challenge. So we're supposed to get points. So you would give us the tip just for us to get the points. And then we just give back the money to you. But we have to record that we got a tip.
Rebel have to check the live vibes. And Perry just said, you're like, listen, we're not going to give you the money or not. You're not going to give you the money or not. All the part when the woman was growing and chatting her German language or whatever language, and Perry thinks...
Perry said, but that's some mistake too. If me got one Chinese wholesale, and me I say something to them and you just see them turn and I talk to them and then the me I go hello,
I'm black.
And me attack. You see them just get a look and turn them back like, okay.
In your mind, you ever feel like, say, something you do or something where you contribute to it. So, yeah, man, I think I agreed with Perry, but even though the woman could have just talk to her friend about something else, but if you hear people that
them lucky Perry never said, Mr. Me.
Yeah. Oh, you know about me?
We know
about me? You can't trick me. You can't trap me.
No, it's the one which was funny when Perry call the girl.
Hey girl, come here. Pink, come here, baby. Come here, baby. Come here, girl.
Come here now.
Yo, the way Perry that go on, I think say I want to friend them, and I think say no man Perry know the girl from like long time.
Girl, come here, I said no, Perry, Perry's a old mood.
Oh God, Jesus Christ, man, the woman like she finally come like me. I feel one of the woman that travel like all 200 meters far, and Perry has to come here, the woman I run and come here now. Come here.
I probably she never realized that she Perry attack because they were excited when they came close and see that it was Rebel and Perry.
I realized say Ethan had a different approach, him kind of going there. How much group did struggle? Was it Lee? And them was the person when them there try to get people to get the $1, them did a walk away?
Yeah, no, it was Yard Travels.
Yard Travels did go in, them they go in like in the building. I think one of the group
Chadali, sorry.
And then one of the lady walk away and then she turned back because she feels sorry for them now and say, alright,
and give them, yeah.
So I think but honestly, I feel like I'm not a challenger because I feel like, you know, I kind of know for those kind of charm the tourists. Yeah, man, I could be able to be like, listen. You know, you have to kind of talk for them language. But like, yo, you want weed? You want A-grade weed? You want good weed?
Oh, okay.
Like marijuana or them because some of them.
Okay.
Or you just rent piece of the dread or something like that. That's how Ethan should have go in there. That's how Ethan should have do. Come in as a rent a dread, make about 15 times that. You have to market where the people them know brand Jamaica come in and just say, yo, Ethan have to come in and say, get a picture with Bob Marley grandson. Bam!
True.
Skip Marley. Come on, man.
Not true,
Listen.
True.
Rebel could have come in and say, free dance class right there. My teacher at the latest move them, show them the following. So them say, boom, boom.
Remember say encouragement sweet and labor, you know. Always remember that.
Yeah, what you would have go in and try to convince them with?
Huh?
Well, like that, you could have gone
there
like,
go with me,
teach them how to do like a good Jamaican laugh.
Yes, like, just my laugh alone that make them laugh.
You could teach them how to do a proper Jamaican laugh. Teach them,
yes.
Teach them. I could have really want business after that.
I know.
And teach them how for like the art of labrishing.
Yes.
Like how for like I'll chat somebody business.
So what text you, sir?
I don't know if you're not fixable.
But what is? Wow.
I don't know if you're not fixable.
Put it on silent.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh yeah, so them finally finish up all of the challenges and they were to kind of head to the hotel now for I guess finish off this whole entire execution. So first was Yard Travels.
Yes.
Of course I didn't reach there first.
Yes.
But I kind of find it funny come here and say look how long them take the time I try to get the 5 people them and how long them a dilly-dally and them still end up reach early.
Hey, I was shocked. Would I reach before the...
My thing said, yeah. But at them reaching first and you know what them picture and whatever I say, alright then, them good and then next was Charlie and then finally Rebel and Quiet Perry. I mean I said, Jesus people, I wonder who are gonna win this, like where this are gonna go, who you think they're gonna win after you see everything go on?
Ethan and
yeah, was alright?
Yeah, cause worse them go reach first. Me I say, yeah, man. And them techie. I was shocked.
Yeah, so when the results time now turns out that in third place was Charlie, that is Lee, Not Nice, and Chad Lucci. Second place was there was a tie between Quiet Rebellious and Yard Travels. But then they gave the win to Perry and Rebel because their stone was bigger.
Yeah.
I was like, okay. It's kind of weird. I don't know, but I wonder if maybe there would have been some points or something there because Ethan and Tanya would have reached there first. But I'm actually glad for say, at least, Perry him the win the same challenge last year.
Yeah, so I mean, if you tell her honest to God, me tell her I know him would have mastered.
Oh, because him have an advantage and him beat already and whatever like that. Yeah, and him.
So I'm not like my surprise the Perry team win, but.
Yeah.
I actually think
I expect Charlie for get the third place.
The second place.
Oh no. Oh,
you didn't expect them to get the third? No, I didn't expect them to get the second place.
My mom did tell us like for them team like they're more inexperienced when it comes to one. They're the youngest team.
Third place.
One of them
my bad.
One of them come from Jamaica.
Yeah,
so
man.
which one of the references where them lose points for was the fact that cool. That mean cool Mandeville.
Yeah.
But remember them go do the things up in the uptown part. We go get the bun, the piece of bread. Yeah, them go get it in a town and it really should get done in a Mandeville. So like little references like that they never catch. But like Perry and some of them actually execute them challenge.
Yeah.
You get me? And some of them say, okay, but my thing said Ethan and something they would get because they reached there first. But apparently they make the difference because of the stone.
Yeah.
But what it kind of surprised me though is the part Jehneel, when them go mention say they're going to give Rebel her points. That is what confused me. Like, me now go like, come here like, what? But the Rebel decide to take herself out of the...
So she still get her points then?
Because in my mind, me don't want to slash next week too. And then give me back my points and then give me no consequence because if me did in there now, I'm going to say this happened to Rebel. If me decide for slash, me I expect them supposed to get
my points. Yeah.
Because me I wonder if because of the whole thing with where people are talking about.
Probably she did that system. That's why they make she. Me not know.
But I don't know if them explicitly stated it. Them just kind of say. Me don't know. Them give some excuse and me just work with it. But it just never really fully add up to me. But it's not like me no want Rebel forget points. Because I'm actually glad to everybody depend the scoreboard now.
No man,
and kind of make things more of like a competition. Yeah. So maybe them do it so everybody have a little something there kind of in the groove of the competition to make people feel, like more.
But want to when next week come and Yardman or Perry or that they want so them want slash them I go get them I go keep the points.
So the problem now because you go wonder is it favoritism?
Yeah.
Who the person you get allowance to do that and somebody else not get the favor there because and they say it might cause the problem. But all in all, it wasn't my favorite episode. But there were moments in there where I really love some get to see the contestants them personality more in these type of episodes.
Yeah man, the contestants they did very well.
But really and truly, honestly, I feel like the episode they should have a little bit more rush cam. Not like no bias. But I feel
rush!
But like a little...
I never see you.
I feel
like when rush active. Yes.
Yeah,
like it.
Kinda,
yeah, man. I look for rush in one of them car. Like, alright, switch it. Yeah, like, every now and then. Yeah, man. I say...
When I watch them and stuff, get the picture and stuff like... I don't know how them work it out like him just fly now a helicopter over them and just land,
Yeah, cause.
But yeah, now forget about Rush outfit now. Did you see what Rush was wearing?
Yeah, no, sir.
Go ahead.
Rush is so funny because somebody DM me telling me before me even come ready to sit down and talk about the review. So your favorite King buckle, like.
Rush was fully camouflaging with the background. Did you see the trees and the palm and the pool, the water? You realize that him
the
outfit.
The only thing missing was the King buckle for true.
Yeah, look at the King buckle for real.
Yeah,
I see some of it.
Brother.
Tell us the old tropical background and something there. Him fitting with it. It's like Rush.
You know them lizard. What the lizard them name? A crocodile lizard.
For the
yeah, what them one.
I don't know right name. I just call them the Duppy, the little white one.
Yeah, what blending. That's
no man, that
Rush.
Is Rush.
Yeah.
It's like honestly, I feel like Rush started them and say, yo, where we now go set up the shot. Make me see a picture right. I Rush look on the picture and say, alright then, boom. Carry to him people them and just say, yo, outfit for match.
Yes, match it up.
Because right
feel
now,
like that
Rush come right there, so Rush find an outfit out of them two material and But now ask. Because honestly,
wow.
I think I'm tactic. We need to ask Rush for coming in one of the weekend. If Rush ever show up in our outfit, like, say war, come back like, it really do.
I eat you.
You can't imagine.
What the food truckers?
We invite Rush come here so Rush watch the show and come with a perfect outfit for match the right so.
And all the background.
All the background, like, I saw him really take him like, take it serious.
Yeah.
Why we can't take it so serious?
That
so?
means
You know what, we're gonna have one Rush challenge one of them weekends.
We need to do that for real.
Have a rush
yes, we need a rush challenge.
And we're gonna say, who can match the background and the setting the best.
We're gonna do that.
And that we are gonna do.
Alright,
ready?
Yeah.
Here when them I give out like the Russia ask them how them are doing, the people them they're like too tired puppy like
Want some food now, Rush? I'm hungry.
Can Rush come in fresh and spruce like Rush is just like this, like while in there kill up on herself. I took the plane. I took the plane, the express. I just got down here, I was chilling in the hotel.
Yes.
I have no time to be sweating with y'all mere mortals. I'm over here.
But I hope you guys are okay though.
I'm surprised we never show up in the Bashuka. Babushka.
Right.
Remember something we do weird last week?
Yeah.
I'm surprised weird that, the little fanciness there. Anyway, when that go on now and then they might show the little moments them. Social house, I always look at promo stuff them. Any part of the pool scene the stand out to you? Like what part?
Well, Ethan try float, but him foot is still there.
Can you float?
Yeah.
You can float? You can swim?
Who cannot float?
You can float?
Yeah.
You see?
Why you always ask me about the question?
I just don't really picture you as a floater.
Oh, you have floater, have a look?
You can't float. No, Jehneel, you can't float.
I can float. I've been to many beaches and rivers. We not do no challenge or fight.
Because the only float me know you can do. No, we should call
Pegasus. Wow.
You know the name. No, we've been there before.
Oh!
Yeah.
Our hotel?
Right there, sir.
Yeah, that would be good. Yeah!
Call Joe.
So that means, so when like...
What the man name? Call
Joe.
Bubble like soup? Babushka?
We're gonna call Joe then, yeah.
Call up our hotel.
Yes. Because we've been there. We've
been there, done that.
Yeah. We used to this.
Yeah.
We used to
it. We just can't call Joe. As a matter of fact, take out your phone and call him now. Take out your phone and call him. Come on, you have him number. We can't for ask. Remember we name we, you know.
Yeah, mega.
Remember we name we.
We name we.
We name we. Yeah, man.
Google.
You don't have him number? Oh, Jesus. Well, Joe, if you're watching this, we can do a float off.
Yeah, man, that challenge the people. No vote for we forgot our hotel.
I can't picture your float though, Jehneel.
Why?
I just see it as a...
Show me fat. I'm a tick.
Anyhow,
yeah, guys.
We come to the end of
end of the episode.
Yeah, you wrap it out.
Okay, hey guys, so we're finished. We're at the end of our episode number. At our episode number 7. Yes, but we're ending this episode with the challenge. Y'all ready for it? Let's go!
Right! All right, someday. Okay, whoa. All right.
And I never felt this way before. Never felt this. I swear it's the truth, and I hold it on to you.
All right, we tried it. No more usual. Like, share, comment.
Tried our best.
Subscribe. Until next time.
Yeah.
Right,
bye, guys. Mwah.